The day the rain refused to fall, there came a day when the clouds gathered, but the rain refused to fall. The elders prayed, the drummers called, the sky rumbled, but stayed dry. The gods were quiet. Amanda sang not a plea for rain, but a song of truth, of forgotten promises, broken land, and unheard cries. That day, the rain did not answer thunder. It answered truth. Crops begin to sprout. Children run in the rain. The girl walks back slowly, her head high, drenched in purpose. The sky is not stubborn. It is sacred, and on that day, it listened to a child. Like, comment, and share.